Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to paint some random things which I had, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe and also press the bell icon, and if you enjoy the video then please hit the like button, and without further ado let's get started. So our first product is this ceramic plate and I'm going to convert it into a beautiful jewelry holder. So first of all I'm applying 2 coats of white acrylic color. You can also use gesso instead of using acrylic color if you have. So nowadays aesthetic jewelry holders are quite in trend, and I thought why not to give it a try. But instead of making it with clay, I'm painting it on a ceramic plate. But if you don't have such ceramic plate, then you can make it out of air dry clay. Once both the coats of white acrylic color are dried, I have taken black acrylic color and I'm going to make a cow print. You can make any print such as leopard print, cheetah print, giraffe print, because nowadays animal prints are very trendy. And with this, our first DIY is ready, and look how easily we converted a waste ceramic plate into a beautiful jewelry holder. So now let's move on to our second product, that is a clear CD. So basically I have taken a CD and peeled its silver layer, and I've also made a tutorial on how to make a clear CD which I will link in the description box so that you can check it out. So what I'm going to do is I've taken black acrylic color and I'm going to paint a landscape on the CD. And with this, our second DIY is also ready. This looks so aesthetic and beautiful, and you can use this in multiple ways, like you can paste it on your wall or use it as a poster. So our third and last product of today's video is this specs case. So I had this very old specs case with me, so I thought why not to transform it. So first of all, I'm going to paint it using black acrylic color. And once the black acrylic color is dried, now I've taken dotting tool and using white acrylic color I'm going to make small flowers. Once the flowers were done, then I'm going to make a dot in the center of the flowers using yellow acrylic color. And look how easily we converted this boring specs case into a beautiful one, and it will be more interesting to use this. And one thing, you can also apply varnish to all the 3 DIYs to make them more long lasting. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIY videos. Thanks for watching.